Hello there, nice meeting you. Can you help me with my job search? Have you been looking into job opportunities lately? I'm thinking about applying for something new.
Absolutely. I've been exploring a few options. What are you interested in?
Well, I'm considering a job in marketing. Any suggestions?
Great. Marketing is broad. You could go for a marketing coordinator role. They usually work in-house for companies. The hours are standard, 9 to 5, and the pay is decent, around $50,000 annually. Typically, they look for a bachelor's degree in marketing or a related field and some experience.
Sounds interesting. What about job titles in technology? I have a background in IT.
In that case, you might want to check out positions like systems analyst. They often work for IT consulting firms. The hours can be flexible, but it's usually a full-time gig. The pay is competitive, around $70,000 per year. A bachelor's degree in computer science or a related field is a common requirement.
Nice. I've also been considering something in healthcare. Any thoughts?
Sure, you could look into becoming a medical assistant. They work in hospitals or clinics. It's a 9 to 5 job, and the pay is reasonable, averaging around $35,000 annually. Typically, they require a diploma or certificate from a medical assistant program.
That's helpful. One more area I'm interested in is finance. Any suggestions there?
Well, you might want to explore becoming a financial analyst. They often work for banks or investment firms. The hours can be demanding during certain periods, but the pay is excellent, around $80,000 per year. Employers usually seek candidates with a bachelor's degree in finance or a related field.
Thanks for the insights. I'll definitely look into those options. It's good to have a variety to consider.
Absolutely. Let me know if you need any help with your job search or if you want more details on any specific role.